Hi guys, did you ever get into the situation like why I am getting less hikes? You're working hard and completing all of your tasks on time, but still getting less hikes. Why? To know some of the interesting facts, let us get into our channel to understand what's behind the scene. All the information provided here based on the different inputs from engineers at different companies and the guidelines from various IT experts and the leaders in the industry. We hope these insights may help you to understand better perspective and your career growth. Let us introduce Bunty here. Bunty is a software engineer. He works in MNC since last 3 years. He is quite happy with his job. Bunty works hard and completes his tasks on time. If required, he stays late and works 12 hours a day to complete his job. Now it's compensation revision time in the company. Bunty is confident that he works hard and completes all of his tasks on time. So he is expecting a good increase in his salary. Next day, Bunty is called for a meeting from his manager. Manager has greeted Bunty and announced his salary hike, which is of 10% increase in his salary. After announcing Bunty's hike, he felt sounds good and thanked his manager and returned back to his seat. And later in the day, when Bunty is chatting with his friends, someone told, "Hey, do you know people are getting up to 25% hike?" Then Bunty was shocked. Then he started worrying about his hike. Bunty is very disappointed. He was thinking, I work hard and complete all the tasks on time, but why am I getting less hike? What's wrong with me? That's all about Bunty's frustration. And what about you? Did you ever face this kind of a situation in your career? If yes, let us understand some logistics about hikes and also hear from the leader's advice. Let us look at how salary revision system works. Companies will set very clear guidelines to the salary revision system. It depends on several factors such as performance ratings, market data on salaries, calibration points, consistency and value addition. Performance ratings defines your excellence and contribution in the product and the company. Market data on salaries. This report will help the company to understand how they are competent with other companies. Calibration exercise helps the companies to adjust the salaries of employees who are in the below market. As per the guidelines, company has to ensure all the employees in within market and above only. Consistency and value. This is very important, and question yourself what kind of a value that you are adding to the company. Are you part of the branch, silver, gold or diamond group? By considering all these factors, then company decides how much hike he can get in. Let us see Bunty's issue. Bunty is already within market range. Hence he got 10% hike as per the company guidelines. Other engineer is below the market range. Hence he got 25% hike, which includes performance and market data correction to make him within market range. And all of these details are confidential. Bunty got frustrated based on the very little information that he got. Do you see any reason why Bunty needs to frustrate about this? Now let us see what's leaders advise. Discussing about hikes and salaries about others is against company policies. This information is confidential and violating this policy leads to punishable offense. So don't get into comparing salaries or hikes of others with your management. Do your job well. Make sure that your manager and colleagues understand the value that you're bringing. Add smartness to your hard work. Keep consistency in your performance. Invest your time to upskill yourself. Make sure your presence and participation across the company-wide activities such as hackathon, knowledge forums, etc. Focus on increasing your value. The most important thing is decide yourself how you want to seen by the company. Easily replaceable, or good to have, important and dependable, or critical and role model. If you can apply these guidelines, this will play a vital role in your salary hikes and your career growth. We hope this information may help you to work better and increase your value in your team. Alright friends, thank you and good luck. See you in next video.